Welcome to Tonek Tech channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and complete detailed review of BLDC Pedestal table fan of Amazon Basics. Actually, Amazon Basics Pedestal fan is just a clone of Atomberg Pedestal fan. So let me tell you, power consumption is one of the best advantage of BLDC fans. Normal fans don't help you save energy as they use 70 to 8 watts on average. On the other hand, BLDC fans use only 28 to 40 watts on average and significantly low electric costs. So here you can see BLDC fan of these Amazon Basics or Atomberg is just gives best output in the range of 35 watts and even less. The less the speed you use, the less the power consumption it consumes. And in this video I'm going to show you the detailed review of pedestal fan power consumption and how to set up. Here you can see I got the base and set the pillars which you get in the box. The quality of the product is just best, just similar like to Atomberg fan. Yeah, they're just a clones. Now I'm setting up the main. Here you can see it can be operated in between 220 to 240 voltage range and the rated frequency is about 50 Hz and power consumption is 35 watts and of course it's made in China. Yeah, when compared to traditional pedestal fan or even traditional ceiling fan, BLDC motored or powered fans gives 3 times more backup on your inverter battery or even it gives 3 times less power consumption when compared to those big fans. So always go to BLDC fan and BLDC fans does not require any regulators, so you can directly connect to your outlets. And most important thing, make sure it have longer warranty period. If you see warranty extension option in your Flipkart or Amazon stuff, make sure buy them because in my experience I just faced the ceiling fans of BLDC Atomberg fan which I get speed variation and I just complained to them and they just responded in just 2 days. They just came home and checked and they just replaced the parts and the issue is solved. Again after 1 year I just also face the same issue and again it comes under the warranty and they change the parts. So if you have warranty period then they can change or replace or fix it as many times as it have problems. So technically most of these stuff most of these fans don't get problems as I brought 4 Atomberg ceiling fans and I am only facing that same problem in single fan as I use more times with my remote. Okay, forgot that and let's come to this video and I hope you set up yourself like this. It have digital display, you can see bottom there in a black shade. Finally completed. Make sure you tight the screw, do not tight too hard. Now testing this fan using Wi-Fi extension, it have an ability to measure the input and voltage. So I just connected to it and I just turning on. You can see I just muted the voice, sorry for that. Here you can see power consumption is about 19.2 wattage and now 27.6 wattage per hour, and speed is about 26. Now I am just putting it to 1 and I am checking how much power consumption it consumes. So it's about 0 wattage, like it may be 0.5 wattage consumes. Let's I put to 10. Actually this fan is this fan Amazon basic fan, I have 26 variations, fan speed variations. I just put 10 variation now, and you can see it's about 3.3 wattage per hour at a speed of 10, and I'm just increasing it to 20. Yeah, decent hair flow. Here you can see at speed of 20 it power consumption is about 12 voltage. Wow, it's too good. If you use normal fan you can get about 50 watts per hour, and I'm increase it to 22, and it have 16 power consumption watts power consumption. Yeah, let's airflow is not too much fast, but it's okay if you use under air conditioner. 16 wattage. Let me try to increase the speed to 23 and test it. Sorry for that. Yeah, 17.8. It's still good. Like if you use the fan is about 23 speed or 24, it's just like a power consumption of a tube light, 20 watts. It's about 24 watts, 24 speed variation, and is about 19 watts or 21 voltage power consumption. I'm just increasing to 25 and let's check it out. 25.7 volt per hour. It's still decent. Airflow is not too that much great. It's 26 and the highest speed. Here you can see. Let me show you clearly. 27.7. Yeah. 27.9 something. 28.6. Yeah, it's about 28. I just turn off the display, and you can see, yeah, it's fall back to 1 wattage per hour. It's still good. I just turned on the swing, and you can see at high speed and swing is on is about power consumption is 31.8, 32.7 like that. So the maximum output is about 32 I get. So if you using this fan in summertime or about daytime, and you may experience about 35 watts like that. Little noisy, but it's okay. Please make sure buy this product with more warranty period. If you see extended warranty option for this product like BLDC fans, buy it. Trust me, it will really help you in the future, as these fans have some issues regarding speeding variations only, so they just replace the defected one and it works like charm. And if it still repeat the same issue, still they replace. Thanks for watching this video.